Yes, welcome back. Manager Kash producer. I want to show you how you can make beats easy. Making beats is one of the easiest thing. Manager Kash producer, aka Mr. FR Cash Beats. You know what I mean? Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start with some simple drums like toof, toof. Yeah, like that. Where did this go? What has happened? It's not starting from the first. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, yeah. Yeah, like the hair. Okay, that is those are the drums. Yeah. Yes. So we have the drum pattern, which is very easy. So or yeah, like that. Okay, so that is the second part, like it's a progression. Okay, so we can copy this and shift this to one. Yeah, so to save my CPU, I have to convert this to MIDI, to audio. I'm going to press Alt Control. Alright, so I've converted this to audio. You can see, so that means now what is important, beats these days are very simple. So what you're supposed to do, just have to find a nice vocal sample, like a very nice one, so that like it can cover up some spaces. Okay, so let me find the vocal sample. Yeah, so this one will just have to take time and repeat it. Yeah. Yeah, if you can't do that, you can do that in a piano roll. So you can just come here and get the vocal here. Like you can find another vocal sample to make this video. Yeah, like that. Yeah, so you can put this one on here. Yeah, so you can just this volume. Put this like yeah, so now let's just put the bass, like follow the like the can take it. Yeah, so I can just bring it down. Yeah, okay, that is wonderfully done. Like, now let's look for something like a bell. So we can just put something that is going to like you see what I'm going to do here. I'm going to put something. Yeah, like just like that. Yeah, you know, it's very easy. Like, you can so when I'm making my beats, what is important is sample selection and the sounds. So I'm not really going to stress, like, so you can find other thing, like maybe let's go to leads. Do I even need leads necessary? This one can't suit in Afrobeat, so let me just get a guitar, you know, a guitar from Contact. We hear how it's going to to sound like. Yes, so let's see what we can play with it. So like something like that. By the way, I'm not even doing any mixing, like, you know, sample selection. The beat sounds nice already without any effects matching. So let's see if you can add an EQ on this one. Yeah, that's fair. Yes, that's how you can make afro beats from scratch without. Yes, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. I always do this for you people. Thanks so much. My name is Jagase, producer.